Hello sir, we are from group 3. The members are Ribka, Kezia, Benadetha, Shefty, Yuliani, Siregar, and Yenji, Betaria, Sonata, Tampubolon. So, this is the project graphic and audio media about thermodynamics. Media. A graph is a graphic that uses dots or lines to convey statistical information that are interconnected. By assuming the understanding of the graph in the teaching and learning processes, the graph has a function to show a comparison of quality and quantity information quickly and simply, especially in statistical presentation. Advantages of graphic learning media. Useful for studying quantitative data and their relationships. Graph allows us to quickly analyze the interpretation and comparison between the data presented, both in the term of size, amount of growth, and direction. And then presentation of graphic data, clear, fast, attractive, concise, and logical. And then the lack of graphic learning media is this media is difficult to understand because it is in the form of simple image. Work of the system on its environment. Learning objectives. Students are able to analyze the definition of work done on a rigid bodies through graphs. The formula W is equal to F times S. We know on the table that F is 2, S is 5, and W is 10, and so on. And from the graph, we know that S is still moving while the W is moving up constantly. The equation for the work done by the gas. Learning objectives. Students are able to analyze the equation for the work done by gas through graphs. The formula W is equal to P times V2 minus V1. We know on the table that P is 3, V1 is 1, V2 is 20, W is 57. And on the graph, we know that V1 and V2 is still moving while the V is moving up constantly.
The next is first law of thermodynamics. The formula is Q equal to delta U plus W. So this example is Q is 200, W is 30, and delta U is 170, and so on. So we can see in the picture, it is explained that delta U and W is moving constantly. The next topic is isobaric process. The formula is Q equal to W plus delta U. The example is delta U is 1, W is 90, and Q is 91. So we can see in the graph, it is explained that W and Q is moving constantly. The next is isochoric process. The formula is Q equal to delta U. So the example is delta U is 70 and Q is 70, and so on. At the picture, we can see the graph is moving constantly.
The next topic that I will explain is isothermal process. In an isothermal process, Q equals W. Examples of samples used where Q1 is 9, then W equals 9, and Q is 10, then W equals 10, and so on. So we can see in the picture, the graph is moving up constantly. The next topic I will explain is the adiabatic process. In the adiabatic process can be formulated with delta U equals W. Examples of samples used where delta U is 90, then W equals minus 90. And then delta U is minus 91, then W equals 91, and so on. So we can see in the picture, the graph is moving downwards constantly. The last topic I will explain is about change in internal energy. Can be formulated as delta U equals U2 minus U1. The samples used where U2 is 78 and U1 equals 45, then delta U equals 33. And then the second example is U2 equals 79 and U1 is 46, delta U is 33, and so on. So we can see in the picture the graph is still moving. That's our explanation about thermodynamics. Thank you for your attention.